While I was on a TikTok live webinar, a gentleman reached out to me and asked me, "Wow, man, are you still doing this?" My response to him was, "What one thing can you do today that you see or envision yourself doing for the rest of your life whilst you are on planet Earth? Do that one thing. Why? Repetition is the mother of skill. Immerse yourself in your plan A so that you can truly become so excellent and great at your craft that people will be like, wow, you are good at this. Wow, you are so good. How did you reach that level, that greatness, that experience?" And people might be unaware that it took you thousands of hours to master your craft. You spent day in, day out, sacrificing, meditating, pondering, wondering, strategizing, making notes on how you can master your craft. Repetition is truly the mother of skill. You are immersing, you are putting your mindset wholeheartedly into making your craft so unique and incredible that you are just great at your craft and you can impact lives in a tremendous level on a global scale, in suburbs, in cities, in communities where people need your gift.